In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the delay time on your B900 display panel. So basically what that means is if you have somebody that is very trigger happy on their button and they just keep pressing and pressing and pressing, you can actually change so that it doesn't keep ringing the whole time every single time they press that button. So you can change that into a delay time for up to 30 seconds. So in order to do that, you press enter on your remote to switch it on. You will go to function and then you change this to a 4. So you press 4 on the remote and you change that to a 3. Once your display panel shows 4-3, you press enter and you change this to 99. So every 10 is equivalent to 3 seconds. So if you use 99, it is equivalent basically to 30 seconds. And then you just press confirm and you will see setting success, and you can just press function to exit to the home screen again. And that is how you set a delay time on your B900 display panel. Thank you very much for watching.